In this question, we are given the data of the number of hours of television program that James recorded last week and viewed last week. And we are also given that no recorded program was viewed more than once. We also have that H is the number of hours of recorded programs that she had not yet viewed by the end of Friday. Then we have to calculate which of the given intervals represents all the possible values of H. In step 1, if we denote the recording time as TR and viewing time as TV, then the sum of TR will be equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6 hours. And for the viewing time, we don't have exact values, so this is understandable that we have to calculate this using a range. Now, if H is the number of hours of recorded programs that she had not yet viewed, that means the value of H is equal to TR minus TV. So we now move on to step 2 and understand how to form the inequality. Now, we first find the maximum of the total viewing time and calculate the minimum of total viewing time. Now the value of TV or the total viewing time will be within the range viewing time and minimum total viewing time. So we now move on to step 3 and do the calculations. So the maximum value of TV will be equal to, on Tuesday Jane did not view any program, and on Wednesday the maximum of this is equal to 2 hours. And on Friday again the maximum viewing time is equal to 3 hours. So maximum value of TV will be equal to 2 plus 3, which is 5 hours. Similarly, when we calculate the minimum value, it will be the sum of 1 plus 2, which is 3 hours. Then we know that the range of TV or the total viewing time will be within 3 hours and 5 hours. Now we have to change this inequality, try and manipulate the middle term to get it into the form H is equal to TR minus TV. Now to get minus TV, we multiply the whole inequality by minus 1. So we get minus 3 minus TV minus 5. Now keep in mind, when we are multiplying with minus, the inequality sign changes. We can write this inequality as minus 5 less than equal to minus TV, which is less than equal to minus 3. Now we have to add TR to all the terms. So adding TR, we get TR minus 5 less than equal to TR minus TV less than equal to TR minus 3. Now we know the value of TR is equal to 6. So 6 minus 5 is less than equal to, and this is nothing but H. And this is less than equal to 6 minus 3, which gives us 1 is less than equal to H less than equal to 3. So we can see that the correct answer is option